In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off your Hisense Roku TV if you do not have a remote control. So let's get started. Every Hisense TV have a button located under them. Let me tilt this television so you see better. So my power button is located right over here. It doesn't look like anything, but this is a button. Maybe yours is located on the right side or the left side. You may have to lift the TV to check exactly where it is. So mine is there right in the middle. To power on the TV, you just have to tap on it once. Don't keep your finger pressed on it. Just tap once. Like that. And wait 2 seconds. The TV will turn on. Right now it's trying to install an update. Maybe yours is not. You'll see the home screen if not. If you want to turn off your TV without any remote control, you're going to tap on that button again once, and a menu will appear on the left side. To turn off, you need to select Turn Off TV. This menu disappears if you don't touch anything for 6 seconds. Let's make it reappear. And to select the second option, just tap again the button. And this is it. Once it's highlighted and you don't touch the button, it will select it. The TV will turn off in around 3 seconds. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Please leave a like, subscribe, also type a comment down below telling me if it worked, how was your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.